Hello everyone, this is Kirit. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, that is Abhivyakti Training Solutions. And in this video, we are going to discuss about 4 steps out of our 7 steps to learn English very faster. So let's get started. Our 4th step is start making small sentences. And for that, what you have to do is that actually we are going to discuss in detail in this video. Before I start with this video, I would request, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very quickly. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends and family members so they also can get benefits from it. So let's get started. Very first thing you should do is understanding the basics of the sentences, because if you want to format new sentence, right, what you have to do is you just need to understand the basics, what all contains of small sentences, right? So basically there are 3 main components. Very first thing is subject, right? So subject is what or who is doing that action, right? Apart from subject, there will be the verb. Verb means there is an action. And last one is object. Object means about what we are talking about, right? So basically there are 3 main components. Very first thing, that is a subject who is doing the action. Verb, that is which action that is taken place, and the third is the object, about what we are talking about. Second steps you have to do is start making very simple sentences. You know what, many people try to make complex sentences and they will lose their confidence. But what you will do, you will start very simple sentences. Just say, for example, you can say is I am doing, right? I am going. Don't try to make small very complex sentences. You will lose your confidence. Third steps you have to do is expand your vocabulary, and regarding your vocabulary we have already discussed that video, right? So we are not going to discuss in detail, but yes, definitely you need to improve your vocabulary also. And last step, that is practice. I know you are thinking that I'm keep talking about the practice in every videos, but in fact the practice is everything. Practice is key to success of learning language English, because without practicing nothing is going to happen. Yes, you may learn the language English, but you will never be able to become a fluent without practice, right? So these are few components that we are talk about. That very first thing we have covered. So very first thing we have covered, that is start learning the basics, what all components, and in that we have discussed about there are 3 main components, that subject, object and verb. In second steps you have to do is start working with simple sentences. Don't go with very complex sentences. And third step was start making some vocabulary bank, because vocabulary is really impressive things you can do to improve your English. And the last step was practice. Remember, to understand the basics with the simple sentences, expand your vocabulary, practice regularly with consistent efforts and practice, you will be able to make some proper sentences into no time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till the time, keep watching, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.